Hello and welcome to Miss Creative 47 YouTube channel. Good afternoon. I'm getting ready to make a tag for a gift bag or a gift box. I don't know what she's using it for, but she wants something that says, "Baby, it's cold outside," and the colors are silver, glitter, cardstock, white cardstock, and pink cardstock. So for me, hot glue does not adhere to glitter. For me, I tried all the time. It always pull up for some reason. I don't know why. So I decided to do it in layers. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go over here to my trace window here. Click it, select trace area, and take that white background out. So it's not doing anything. So that means I need to go back to the threshold over here and just click in the box and bring that yellow up some. Maybe I'll go up a little bit more. Okay, so now I just want to do a trace because I just want the outline, and there you go. Okay, so I can get rid of that. Now I want to release compound and make a compound path. Okay, so I did that to make sure that when I get ready to cut it out, because this is not a print and cut, it's just going to be a cut, to make sure that this is open so she don't have to do her own hole punch. So I got this. So now this part is going to be the glitter, and then I need a part that's going to be where I'm going to do the writing, "Baby, it's cold outside," and the colors are silver, glitter, white, and pink. So now what I need to do is figure out how much space I want the glitter to show through. So what I'm going to do over here is just get a box, click on that box shape, and I'm just going to drag it. And depending on how much of the glitter you want to show, because you have plenty showing up here and you have plenty showing up there, I think this is okay. So what I want to do is grab all of that. So I want to even this up and go here to the transform and do a middle, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but I know that there you go. And I'll probably have to move it up. See, it won't do it there, but it will do it down there. So I guess I have to move it around myself. Okay, I think that's, move it over some. Okay, so now what I want to do, I think I need to move it over just. So now what I want to do is open this up. So I'm going to do right click and make compound path. So now it's open up in there, and how I can tell if I go to send, it's going to cut this center out. It's going to cut around the outside of this, and it's going to cut that circle. So now what I can do also is create a box to go behind it. So I'm going to get another box, and I'm going to make sure I have enough room to glue that behind. And that is, I'm going to take that down just a bit. Okay, so that's enough for that. And this one will be the pink. And then I will make another one, another box that's going to go behind. So let me just show you how it's going to look. So let me do this. I'll click on the glitter paper, glitter. I'm going to move this here. So I'm going to make this that silver, and I'm going to make this one pink, and I just need regular pink. Go over here and get, I'll use this pink. Oops, let me go back. Okay, I need to click on you. Okay, pink. Now that's going to be pink. And then I want to do another, I'll just right click on this and copy, right click copy Control V or Command V on Mac, and I'm going to make this one be a little bit smaller, and this one is going to be white. And actually I don't want this pink, I want a lighter pink for that. This is going to be white. Let me just drag this and say no outline, because I hate when I see the outline. So this is what it's going to look like. So the pink is behind the send to back. So the pink is behind the glitter, and then this is going to sit on top of that pink right there. Okay, so now I'm just going to close this out. Now I can go ahead and type in baby, it's cold outside. Sorry, I type so slow. Okay, so then I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna click this one right here to center everything. Get my arrow back and move this out the way. So now I want to change the font. So I'm getting ready to go over to, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and change the font color also. So I'm going to go over here and find a font that works, and I think this is so cute. So I'm just going to stretch it down just a little bit and bring it in some. And that's it. So what I might do also is put this down here. That way it can stretch out the whole space here, and I could then now I can stretch it out like that, just like that. And I think that's beautiful. And all I have to do is just cut these individual out like this. This one right here will be a print and cut, because I need for it to print out. And I can line this up like that. And yeah, so yeah, it's ready to go. So all I have to do is go purchase me some glitter paper, glue this to the back, and then group this and glue this to the front, just like that. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this Sunday video tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in my next video.